Hi everyone and welcome back to MarMello. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the most delicious grilled chicken marinade you will ever try. Marinate chicken that is cooked and roasted without an oven or grill with a flavorful marinade. It works for legs, breasts, or whole chicken. If you try it, I'm sure you will repeat it. By following the simple steps, you can make grilled chicken that is sure to please. So if you're looking for a delicious and easy way to cook chicken, this recipe is for you. Let's get started. First, I have 4 medium-sized legs. Wash and soak it in advance and skin it. If you want to leave the skin on or remove it, it's up to you. I personally like to remove it. You can make holes in the chicken to let the marinade penetrate better, but it still reaches the marinade and becomes wonderful. For the flavored secret marinade, we will need 2 small tomatoes or 1 large tomato peeled and chopped, 1 large onion chopped, vinegar, lemon juice, oil, water, and for spices, I need salt, black pepper, cumin, coriander, chicken spices, paprika, and cinnamon. If you don't like it, don't worry, its taste will not be a vice, but will give a sweet flavor. And ginger, bay leaf, and cardamom, add them at the end. We blend all of this in a blender well. Then put it on the chicken and continue to massage the legs well. If you like, you can use it right away, but I prefer to let it sit for at least 1 or 2 hours or overnight for the best flavor. I covered and let it in the fridge for all night. This is how it looks after being in the fridge. The smell is really amazing and beautiful. You must try it. Then I bring the tray I'm gonna to cook it on, or I can grill it on the grill right away. Put the chicken in the tray. I prefer aluminum tray because it makes the food better. And cover it with the rest of the marinade and add the cardamom and bay leaf. I put the chicken on high heat until it boils, then cover it and reduce the heat to low. It takes about 1 or 1.5 hours on the stove. Every 20 minutes or so, I use a brush to take some of the marinade and put it on the chicken. If you find the marinade has dried up and the chicken is not cooked yet, add 1/4 of water and let it cook until it's done. I know it's done when I see the meat separate from the bone. This is how it looks when it's cooked. You can eat like this normally, or you can do what I do. I turn on the grill and put it to take a crust. This is how it looks in the final form. It's beautiful and melted, and the taste is the best. Try it and don't forget to tell me in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video and you will try this recipe at home. If you do, be sure to let me know what you think in the comments.